Are you missing calls on Ultramobile? This could be due to common settings issues that are easy to fix. First, check your call forwarding settings. Call forwarding redirects incoming calls to another number, which can make it seem like you're not receiving them. Dial 73 to cancel all forwarding or use the Ultramobile app to reset forwarding. Next, ensure Do Not Disturb is disabled. Do Not Disturb silences calls and notifications, making it seem like you're not receiving them. On Android, find it in Settings, Sound and Vibration. On iOS, it's in Settings, Do Not Disturb. Rule out these common settings issues first before moving on to other troubleshooting steps. Voice over LTE, or VoLTE, is a technology that allows high-quality voice calls to be made over your LTE data network instead of traditional cellular circuits. When VoLTE is enabled, calls use IP-based communication for better clarity and faster connections. However, if VoLTE is disabled on your device, incoming calls might fail or not ring at all. To enable VoLTE on an Android device, navigate to your Settings app, then select Network and Internet, followed by Mobile Network. Look for the VoLTE or Voice over LTE option and make sure it is toggled on. This setting ensures your device uses LTE for voice calls. For iOS devices, open the Settings app, tap Cellular, then select Cellular Data Options. Make sure the Voice and Data option is set to LTE or 4G. This activates VoLTE functionality, allowing your iPhone to make and receive high-quality calls over the LTE network. If you continue experiencing call issues after enabling VoLTE and verifying that call forwarding and Do Not Disturb are not interfering, try resetting your network settings. On Android, go to Settings, then General Management, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This will clear any misconfigurations without affecting your personal data. If resetting network settings does not resolve the issue, reach out to Ultramobile customer support for personalized assistance. You can call them at 1-888-777-0446 or visit their website at ultramobile.com for device-specific guidance and troubleshooting.